Tutorial for students on how to access the textbook on Stukent. How to access your textbook on Stukent? This brief guide is designed to explain how to access and navigate the textbook through the Stukent platform. At the start of the course, the professor will send you an email with the link and access code to the platform. Click on the link and enter your institutional email. Click Submit to continue. Fill in the required fields with your information. Do not forget to accept the terms and conditions. Click the button to access the dashboard or home screen. Click the link to one of the available resources. Then, enter the access code in the space provided. Click Continue. The available resources for each course in the term will appear on the home screen or dashboard. You will find the link to the textbook and the link to the simulator. In addition, another tutorial on how to navigate the simulator will be available. To view the textbook, click on the link. Here, you can browse through the book by selecting chapters, viewing sections of each chapter, and exploring additional resources that support the book's content. You can perform specific searches by using the search bar or by clicking the buttons to turn the pages.